Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts. In this video, let's talk about the question that a lot of people have asked, are vinyl windows any good? I get asked this, and I've had a lot of customers who have said they've heard that vinyl windows, they're not the way to go, or they just don't last very long, or they're cheap. While I understand and I kind of get where they're coming from, are all vinyls created equal? No. So when you're talking about there's entry-level, pull-off-the-shelf style of vinyl windows that have high-performance low-E glass in them, very thin glass, but it's still a high-performance low-E window. These windows are not meant to last a very long time. So they will give the vinyl window a bad rap. If I'm gonna tell you how long one of those windows would last that would come off the shelf, you're probably 5, 6 years, 7 maybe. You just have to really keep up on them as far as making sure that the windows are lubricated properly, making sure that you keep them clean. That type of vinyl is not the greatest. It's not going to perform well against the UV rays that the sun is going to hit the window on the outside for years and years to come. There are better windows, vinyl windows that you can get that aren't cheap. So you're not gonna spend $200-300 on a window. You're gonna be spending more along the lines of $500, $600, $700, $800 each window. Now, these are the windows that are gonna have full life guarantees. These are the windows that are going to have titanium dioxide in the vinyl blend. That is going to help against yellowing, powdering of the vinyl. These are the windows that are gonna last you a very long time. The other thing to keep in mind is how you maintain your windows. If you just buy windows, have them installed, and you just leave them, you don't clean them, you don't take care of the tracks, it's a better performing system, but you still have to make sure that you keep up on the windows. And there's more track, for instance, this window, there's more track to actually see where there's dirt building up. And you have to maintain those things. I don't care if you have a very inexpensive window or a very expensive vinyl slider. Either one is gonna have its upkeep. As long as you maintain them, they'll take care of you. If you buy cheap, expect cheap. Don't expect your cheap vinyl window to last you the rest of your life. If you get a window that has a lifetime guarantee, these windows are made to last your lifetime. Not all windows are created equal, especially vinyl windows. Yes, there are cheap vinyl windows, but there's also high-grade vinyl. There will be those who are the Puritans of wood or other style of windows, aluminum, and they'll say, vinyl's cheap. Sure, it is if you get a cheap window. But if you get a high-grade, if you have pride in your house and you're like, I want good quality products. I wanna make sure that these things are going to perform, that I don't have to deal with them and that I have to do this all over again in 20 years. Well, then do your homework. Make sure that what you're buying is going to be promised to be warranted for that long, if not longer. With our windows, it's a double lifetime. Now, what that means is you get the benefit of the warranty for the rest of your life since you purchased them. If you sold the property, the new purchaser of your home can enjoy a full lifetime, their life, of the warranty. If you think about this for a second, that kind of a promise, that would take a manufacturer who uses the best products, the best vinyl, best rollers, best weather stripping, best locks. Because how else are they going to promise that kind of a warranty? Pull off the shelf windows aren't gonna give you that kind of warranty. They're gonna give you a 1 year, maybe. Milgard, Pella, Marvin, Anlin. There's more. They have high-grade windows that they put a lot of thought into. And these windows are going to last you a very, very long time. So lastly, are all vinyl windows created equal? No, they're not. But make sure that you're doing your homework for what you're looking for. If you want a window that's gonna last you a very long time, you can get a great Anlin window. You can get a great high-grade Milgard. You can get a great Marvin. These are all great windows. Hopefully this helps you. Hopefully this helps the people who have heard the negative connotations of vinyl. This is for you. I want you to understand the difference between a cheap vinyl window and a high quality, high grade vinyl window. Two completely different styles. Hopefully this helps. Thanks guys. Any questions? AmericanWindowConcepts.com. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much. Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.